Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. Welcome if you're new to my channel. My name is Carla and on this channel I share videos on fashion, beauty, and lifestyle. If you enjoy these kinds of videos, then please subscribe down below. Okay, I am pretty excited to be unboxing this. This is a TELFAR unboxing. I told myself that this is probably going to be my last TELFAR unboxing, like as far as these particular pieces go, unless like I get some insane or I see something that I'm just like I have to get it, like I have to. But for right now, this is my last unboxing. So you probably just saw me cut through the tape. So this is actually, let me open it this way. Actually, this box is huge. So this is my, ooh, they're all like sliding everywhere. Let me take this out. That's just my receipt. So these pieces I actually got from the, what was it, the what do you call it, the security program. I don't think I was supposed to get it this soon. I think it was due like closer towards spring, but it came sooner. I ordered this back in October and it's already here. So I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 bags. I think they were all, yeah, they're all the small ones. So this is pretty much gonna just be a collection, like a, what do you call it, like a, just a haul of the pieces, unboxing all of these pieces. So this is the TELFAR dust bag. It has changed. It's definitely much better from the plastic ones that I used to have. I'm so excited. I really wanted these colors and look at that. Do you guys see it peeking? So this is the first one. Oh, do you love it? Oh my God, I cannot even describe this color. It's like, stop. Oh my God, I have to take this off. Like, oh my goodness, like this color, the camera does this like zero justice. Like I'm dying, like no way. This color, guys, and I will say this bag feels, I'm looking at my other TELFARs and this one just feels so much better. Like it's nice and sturdy. Not that my other ones aren't sturdy, but this one just, yeah, I think that's a better, what? Stop playing. This color, guys, and then the color of like the stitching, I feel like that's what makes it look a little more like highlighter-ish. If you like, I don't know, like I just feel like everyone should have tried this. I've mentioned so many times on this channel to definitely get your hands on, like if you're looking for a TELFAR, definitely try the security program. And I hope you guys did. Like I'm really just like, I really hope people did. So this color is the, let me read the bag really quick because I went on and showed you guys the bag, but I didn't necessarily show you the color. So this is the, I got it in a small again. All of the bags were in a small. Azalea. A-Z-A-L-E-A. The small shopping bag. So that's that. We're starting off good. The next one is just the black one. I realized that I do not have a black TELFAR bag, or do I? I lied. I do. I have the huge one and I was like, no, I need it in a small. So I went ahead and I ordered it in a small, so this is it. I'm just gonna bring this down a little bit. I'm not gonna talk in depth about these because I have so many videos on them. I've done like what fits in my bag. I've done a lot. So I'm not gonna talk as much about them, but this is the black TELFAR. Of course, you get the logo, the straps, which aren't detachable. A lot of people do ask that. These bags just feel so much better. Again, not that the other ones were bad, but for some reason these bags, like, do I want to get up and no, because it's not what the video is about. I almost wanted to get up and see like what the difference is. I know for sure this dust bag feels so good. I feel like it was like that for, was it my big black one? I feel like the big black one did have this dust bag, but I don't think I've picked up any TELFAR bags since then. But woo, so far so good. All right, next we have, I'm scared for this one. I am scared. So, because I was like, all right, which green do I want? Like, do I want a subtle green? Or do I want like a bright green? Or do I want, like, I didn't know which green I wanted. So I went with the green screen green. And, oh, guys, I am so happy with every single one of my purchases. Like, I'm ripping that off because I don't need it. I should have just taken it off the black one. Do you guys, like, I almost, let me see if I can find a way for this to, like, this is not, I'm gonna turn this down a little. It's not giving the color. Like, this is the green. Do you see? And I still feel like it looks a little bit brighter on the screen as opposed to like what I'm seeing in person, but yes. So this green is called the green screen green. I'm just gonna do this a little in case anyone watching this have not seen like what a small, just in case, what a small TELFAR shopping bag size is, and this is it. And if you're interested in watching, like seeing any other bags that I have, or like you want any extra details, then go through my channel. You'll see, like, literally just search TELFAR. I don't think I've broken it down into like, have I? No, I haven't broken it down to like just TELFAR. Like, these are all my TELFAR videos. It's probably something I can consider doing, but I have not done that yet. Okay, so all right, so this is the one I've been waiting for. I was waiting for the pink one and this one in particular. So this is the small painter's tape bag. I kid you not. So I kind of forgot that I ordered this. Like, but I didn't. I did. Like, I think I completely forgot that I ordered these bags. And then I ordered some shoes. And I was like, okay, what bag can I wear? And then I got the email that my bags had been shipped out. What is this? Attention. Oh, this is like the, what do you call it, that like moldy smelly thing, like that's what that, like the silica packets. And are you loving it? Because I am. And I almost want to show you guys what it was that I was thinking about. Do I want to get up? I do want to get up. Are you guys ready? Stop playing. They are perfect together. Like, what? Should this be my thumbnail? I don't know. Should it? No, because this has nothing to do with TELFAR. But what? They go perfect together. Stop. My excitement is insane right now. If you're wondering, these are from Ego. Ego shoes. Oh, stop. Look at that perfection. And I actually love this blue with this tan. We've deviated a little, but are you what? Because I am dying. Not, obviously not realistically, it's just a figure of speech, but what? My excitement, guys, like, I don't know. I say this is gonna be my last TELFAR pickup, but I just feel like these TELFAR bags go with so many of the items in my wardrobe that I'm always like, I need to get more, I need to get more. And then this is the last one. So this bag I bought with a purpose. This bag may not stay like this at all. It may get like a different look. It just may, because I've been wanting this just to do something different with it. And it is the white TELFAR. This is just it. It's not gonna pick up very well because of course the lighting is gonna throw it off, but this is what it looks like. Just a white TELFAR bag. Again, it may not remain like this because it's a little bit dirty, which again, it's fine because it's not gonna stay like this, but it's cute. I probably should have picked up two, just so I'm gonna turn this down so you guys can kind of see. Like, do you kind of see? Kind of, you can kind of see what I'm talking about. But yeah, this is the white TELFAR. It's not going to stay like this. So yeah, I'm not sure what colors I want to add. I'm not sure what detail I want to add to this bag. I'm not sure yet. I'm looking around at all my stuff because I'm like, okay, what colors may I want? I may want to add, like, honestly, I may do like the painter's blue with the azalea, that pink, maybe with like some yellow. I'll probably add different colors to this bag just so that I can pair it with more things. Like white, of course, you can pair with anything, but I almost want to just add different colors just so, like, if I want to throw on a jacket, I can pull the color from that bag on, like I can pull a color from that bag, pair it with a jacket, and it just brings the bag together. I'm not 100% sure. I may be saying all of this and the bags stay white. It's not the hope for it because I purposefully bought this bag so that I could design it, so it can be done, something can be done to it. But yeah, those were the 5 TELFAR bags that I got. I'm pretty excited. I am. I'm like, what do I want to do? The blue one, of course, I'm like, yes, 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 yes. Like, I don't know. Do I want to do red, like a red dress with this? Do I want to do white? Comment down below. Comment down below and let me know what colors I should pair with that blue, because my excitement right now is just, it's up here. I am excited for this. Like, you guys don't even know. You don't. I love TELFAR. Like, I love the TELFAR bags. It's just that literally I have so many up there. Like, I'm looking up here and I just see that light blue, pink, orange, brown, burgundy. Like, it's insane the amount of TELFAR bags that I have. Like, and that's not even the ones that I have in my closet, so I need to chill a little bit. But yeah, those are my new TELFARs. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any questions, feel free to ask me in the comment section down below. Remember to be kind to yourself and be kind to others. Love yourself and love others as well. Remember to follow me on Instagram as well as on TikTok at carla.simon19. See you in the next video.